In this tutorial, we will show you how to get started using Empower Mails. When you first launch Outlook after installing Empower Mails, the default profile will be either automatically loaded or created. To access the profile management, go to the Mails group and click on the Manage Signature button. Then select Profiles. The default profile, as well as any additional profiles you create, can be edited by clicking on the pencil icon. The data in the Profiles fields is automatically populated from your company's synchronized directory service. Personal data administered in the directory service and synchronized with your profile is indicated by a chain symbol. Empower Mails regularly synchronizes the data to ensure it remains up to date. A crossed-out chain symbol indicates either no data is stored for the specific field in the directory service, or you manually enter different data, overwriting the data stored in the directory service. Click on the crossed-out chain symbol to reset the profile field to the personal data stored in the directory service, thus deleting any manual entered data if applicable. In addition to the standard profile, you can create any number of additional profiles as needed. Clicking New Profile while in the Profile Management group allows you to create a new profile. Once you have created more than one profile, you can set any of your profiles as a default profile. A profile is automatically set as the default if no other profiles have been created. In case of sick leave or holiday cover, it can be beneficial to send emails on behalf of someone else using their signature. Empower Mails offers the option to reference profiles other than your own for this purpose. Once a user has set up a default profile, other users can search for it using the Search for Users function. The search takes into account the first name and/or last name of the profile being searched. After confirming the search, all matching results are displayed, and the found profile can be added to your profiles by clicking the Add to My Profiles button. It's important to note that foreign profiles, unlike your own profiles, cannot be edited in the profile management. The newly added profile will be listed under your own profiles as a reference profile. To create a signature in Empower Mails and automatically fill the selected signature template with information, some default values need to be set. These include profile data, such as name, contact details, and department, location and company data, such as address, logo, or registration, and translation or language settings. You can access the default settings by clicking the Manage Defaults link in the Profile Management window. All the profiles you have set up are listed in the Profile Data Main Profile drop-down menu. You can select the desired profiles to be set as the default profile by clicking on its name. Depending on the template configuration, information from multiple profiles can be referenced. For this purpose, you can select any number of additional profiles alongside the main profile. The Location Data drop-down menu displays all available companies and their respective locations. By clicking on a location's name, you can choose the desired default location. If no default location is set, the signature cannot be created. Similarly, the Translation drop-down menu lists all available languages. You can select the desired language by clicking on its name. Signatures are created by filling in the signature templates with labels representing the identifiers of the respective data, e.g. postbox or managing directors, and the data itself in the specified language, if available. For example, if a reference country, for example Germany, from a location is mapped as Germany or Deutschland, depends on the language selected. To confirm the selection of default values, click the Save Defaults button. Empower Mails assists you in setting up one or more signatures by selecting a signature template and adding a profile, location, and language as required. When creating a new email in Outlook, you can use these signatures. To open the signature management, click on the Manage Signatures button. Then click on Add New Signature to create and configure a new signature. You can customize the signature by specifying a name, profile, location, and company template and language. Enter a name or title to help identify the signature when using it in an email. The data used in the signatures comes from two sources: location data and your personal data. Your personal data, such as your name, contact details, and department, is taken from your profile information. To ensure the signature displays the required data, you can select your profile by clicking on any of the available profiles. The location data, including company data, such as address, logo, or registration, is taken from the selected location. To choose your location, simply click on any of the listed locations. Good to know? Your set default data is highlighted as such and pre-selected when you create a new signature. From the available templates belonging to the company associated with the selected location, you can then choose a signature template. If your signature template supports multiple languages, you can select them from the corresponding drop-down menu. Some templates may have certain elements, like a salutation, like "Dear Sir" or "Madam," or disclaimer that are displayed in a specific language. If this is the case, your administrator may have set up the templates to be available only for that language. On the left side, you will see a preview of your signature, allowing you to check if all the displayed data is correct. To save your new signature, click on the Save button. If you want to set one of your signatures as a default signature, click on Set as Default button. The default signature is indicated by a small checkmark icon and will be automatically inserted into new emails. If you wish to revoke your settings, you can click the Reset Default Signature button. To edit a signature, click on the pencil icon or delete a signature by clicking on the cross icon. To close the signature management, click on the Close button. Now feel free to test these functions yourself and save valuable time. For more information about Empower Mails, check out our other tutorials.